are different types of organisms in our surroundings. The number of cells that make up a living organism differs from one species to another. All plants and animals around us are made up of millions of cells. Living organisms can be divided into unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms based on the number of cells that make up the body of the organism. Unicellular organism. An organism that is made up of only one cell is known as a single-celled organism or unicellular organism. All life processes such as respiration, excretion, and reproduction are carried out by single cell in unicellular organisms. Bacteria, protozoa such as amoeba and paramecium, some algae and some fungi such as yeast are unicellular. Multicellular organisms. Living organisms that are made up of many cells are known as multicellular organisms. Human beings, animals and plants are multicellular organisms. Plants and animals are made up of thousands of cells. The adult human body has about 100 trillion cells. In multicellular organisms, instead of a single cell performing all the functions of life, cells are specialized to perform specific functions.
Like, share and subscribe to our Tutelage by Magic channel for such new and knowledgeable videos.